You want to be millionaire, right? Who doesn't want this? In fact, becoming a multi-billionaire is even better than great goal. Surprising to many people, achieving millionaire status is not nearly as hard as often thought. It is never too late to take action toward becoming a millionaire. It's sure to lot easier if you start young through by young. I mean, when you are first start earning a steady income in your 20s or earlier, if you work earlier, of course, no one can guarantee specific outcome. By taking few basic steps when you are in your 20s can definitely increase your odds to reaching wealthy status. To help you set a plan for getting you right path of financial prosperity, I put together a list of 7 recommendations based on the observation of existing wealthy peoples. The more of these guidelines you follow, the better off the financially. If you don't want to tackle all 7, that you just work a few at home. First of all, focus on your income. If you focus on your income, if you have the mindset of the creation of more pay to incomes, it will be more easier to you getting wealthy as earlier as possible. So try to focus on incomes. Try to get a high paying jobs, try to get a high paying business. So if you focus on your income, it will be improve yourself to getting more wealthy you as much as earlier possible. Second of all, that develop multiple stream of income. Now what is this mean? If you have developed multiple stream of income, it could generate more income to you, and it will be very helpful to get becoming millionaire as early as possible. So develop multi stream of the income. Third one that I want to share, that save money but not in saving account. What is the mean? If you put your money save, if you want to save your money but you are saving in saving account, this will not going to work for you. So you save money but not at the saving account, because that is not thing that will be pay you good returns. Okay, so I am not that saying that you don't save your money. Of course you should save, you choose saving money, but you should not say make a saving for by saving accounts. Okay, so this is not the, because they are not going to provide you good returns. I am for wealthy instead of rich. There is a lot of the people in the society who want to become rich but try to become wealthy. There is a lot of difference becoming wealthy person and a rich person. Rich person is automatically they want that I can become rich in a one day. I can become a rich in a very little amount of the time. But this is the not truth. Truth is that you can't become wealthy in one day. It can take a process, it can take a time. So you try to become wealthy, not becoming instead of the rich. So fifth statement I want to join, that is you are your best investment. I have written a book, you can buy from Amazon in or Flipkart, and that book is improve, learn, focus and learn. Improve and learn, and investment in yourself. So you are the asset for you. So always remember that improve your skills, your high paying skills, high income generating skills in yourself, and always remember that you are your best investment. Sixth one is a set big goals and smaller milestone. Okay, so big goals, there is a book called Think Big and Become Big. Okay, so always remember that I have a think big, dream big, experience big. So if you think big and having a smaller mindset and have big goals, so this will be help you to becoming more wealthy as soon as possible. Seventh and last one is just surround yourself with like-minded people. Now you might be think about that, what is the mean of this? So what is the mean of surround yourself with like-minded people? There are the two type of the people in the universe, in the planet. That is the growth mindset people, as well as What another one is a fixed mindset, whereas growth mindset people, they always focus on the creating wealth and creating more stream of the income, whereas a fixed mindset people, they are the fixed on their specific job. They feel so security to changing their position. So always be surrounding yourself you like-minded people. There is a statement called, you if you are the people, if you are the that 100% effect going to happen, and that people in surrounding you. So surround yourself with like-minded people always. Thank you. Signing off, Arvind Upadhyay from the